Hello everybody. Okay, today we're going to have a look at a simple dictionary and we're going to use a for loop to loop through it. So I'm going to call this favorite food. Okay, is equal to, and I'm going to create a dictionary. Okay, so I'm going to put some names in here. So Mark. Okay, this is the key. Okay, I'm going to give it a value. So Mark likes rice. Okay, I'm going to do another one, another key. Okay, let's get back to this. So rice, let's have a look. So we're going to put Dave. Okay, and Dave likes a good old Indian. Dave likes an Indian. We're going to do Pete, and Pete likes Mexican. Pete likes Mexican food. Okay, we're going to loop through this, so we're going to use a for loop for name. Here, name food. Okay, so we're going to look at the name, we're going to look at the food in favorite food dot items. Okay, right, and we're going to print out this, so it's going to be print. Oh, that's wrong. Oops, and I pressed the wrong button there. Okay, so it's going to be print, and then we're going to format the string. So we do that. This is the shortcut to formatting. I'm going to put name, and I'm going to put dot title on here because I want to capitalize the first letter. Name.title is favorite food is, and then we're going to do the food here, so that's going to be food.title, food.title there. Close that off. Okay, now we're just going to save this and we're going to run it. Okay, oh dear, made a little bit of a mistake there. I know what I've done. I forgot to do that. Okay, let's just save that now and just run the program, and there we go. Mark's favourite food is rice, Dave's favourite food is Indian, and Pete's favourite food is Mexican. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. So if you found that helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and give me a like, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.